They're looking too real. You have to send this to basketball.
Congratulations, you made us proud. Building history, standing loud. Culture so bright in Hollywood, they bring the light. Amvca, a prize so grand, their journey blows across the land. Congratulations, you made us proud. Building history.
I want to say a big thank you to the cast and crew of Lishadi. This is a motivation to keep doing more. Thank you so much.
Thank you to God. Thank you to everyone. Thank you to the cast and crew. Thank you to the director. Thank you to all of our fans. Thank you. God bless you.
Torí ìfẹ́ lọ́lọ́run ṣe dá, torí olólùfẹ́ lọ́lọ́run ṣe dá ìfẹ́, torí ti tèmi lọ́lọ́run ṣe dá Amvca. Honestly speaking, this is an acknowledgement of the very hard work that we do. All right, this means a lot to me. I couldn't actually say a word on the stage. I broke down just because I never saw this coming. I only do my thing, put in all efforts, pay attention to details, and this is coming to tell me that you are appreciated. Thank you so much. I'm going to celebrate in a very special way with the cast and crew of this movie, because this movie 7 does one, the best lead actor and the best lead actress. We also have the best sound. We never can tell, we still have other categories. So we're going to have a party. Come back here next year to win more awards.
now.
It's black or white.
See now.
Black or white. I could just leave that there. It's black
Or white.
It's two women.
Okay, this is black, this is white.
Congratulations! The U.S. Consulate, we're very excited to be here. You win. Yes, indeed. Hopefully. You're bound to get one of them. That'd be awesome. You want to get 5 or 6, not just one. How about 11? I think you need to better have 11.
Alright, video raise your hand up so they know you have the camera to look at. Alright, sweet. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let's get pictures in. Nice. Let's get a few more. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, beautiful. Give me stand by, I'm going to see you 1 second. Alright, I'm trying them, but they don't want to. Thank you. Thank you. Really, sorry. Are you good? Sweet.